Introducing the ARTBIO Stem Cell Cream with 3 free ampoules. Stem cells are essential for the condition of our skin. Epidermal cells are continuously shed from the skin and need to be replaced by new cells sent to the surface by the stem cells, thus assuring the functioning of the skin's self-regeneration. The ARTBIO Stem Cell Cream is a smooth 24-hour cream which, due to its highly selective ingredients, will keep the skin soft and supple. The main active ingredients of the ARTBIO Stem Cell Cream are stem cell extracts from the Alpine Rose, vitamin E, avocado oil, shea butter, and betaine. It will provide rejuvenation, moisture, and a bright, silky soft skin. It is suitable for all skin types. Apply the cream on the face, neck, and décolleté, and massage until fully absorbed. Use the enclosed ampoules once a week, preferably after peeling. For even better results, use the ARTBIO Stem Cell Mask once or twice a week.
Order today from our authorized resellers and beauty salons, or from our website at www.hi2cosmetics.com.